Consider this question. In the reaction between sodium hydroxide and sulfuric acid solution, what volume of 0.5 molar sodium hydroxide would exactly neutralize 10 cm cube of 1.25 molar sulfuric acid? Very good. This is a question on titration, which we call volumetric analysis, or you call it quantitative analysis. If you remember the titration formula, this question becomes so easy for you. But before anything, we need to first write a balanced chemical equation for this reaction. So let's write the balanced chemical equation. So this is a reaction between acid and base. So first of all, we have sodium hydroxide. This is NaOH. Okay, let me write it down here as NaOH plus, what's that? Sulfuric acid, that's H2SO4. This will lead to the production of sodium tetraoxosulfate 6. That's Na2SO4 plus, so, when a base reacts with acid, water will be formed. So that's neutralization reaction. Now we check, is this equation balanced? So this equation is not balanced. We have 2 sodium atoms, but only 1 sodium atom. So I can simply put 2 here to make the sodium balanced. So now, check the oxygen. Is the oxygen balanced? This is 2 oxygen here and 4. 2 plus 4, that's 6. Let's check here. We have only 1 here. We have 1 and 4, that's 5. So if I put 2 here, so this becomes 2 oxygen and 4. 2 plus 4, that will give me 6. So oxygen is balanced. What about the hydrogen? We have 2 hydrogens here. We have 2 hydrogen atoms here, making 4. So at the product side, we have 4. This is balanced. So, and this is aqueous. This is aqueous. This is another aqueous solution. While this is a liquid. Now, so we now need to write the formula of titration. That is CaVa all over CbVb equal to Na all over Nb. So this is Ca stands for the concentration of the acid. So which it is given from the formula. Volume of the acid, concentration of the base, volume of the base. This is number of mole of the acid over number of mole of the base. So let us write it and do what we have. So now, here we have concentration of the acid, which is, what's that? Sodium hydroxide, no, 1.25 molar sulfuric acid. So concentration of the acid is 1.25. Let's put it 1.25 times volume of acid. So let's see. Question is asking what volume of 0.5 sodium hydroxide. So they gave us 10 cm cube of the acid. So that means the volume of acid is 10 cm cube. All divided by concentration of the base. Where's the concentration of base? That is, let's check the question. That's 0.5 molar sodium. So that's 0.5 times volume of the base. That's what the question is asking. Because the question says, what volume of 0.5? So you can just put Vb. That's what we are finding. Then, number of mole of the acid. You can get that from the balanced chemical equation. What's the number of mole of acid here? This is 1, since they don't write anything. This is 1 all over. What's the number of mole of the base? That is 2. So, if we can solve this equation, we will get our answer. So let me just clean the reaction. I don't need it anymore. Clean the chemical equation. So from here, I can cross multiply. So I will have 2 times 1.25 times 10 equal to what? 0.5 times Vb times 1. So nothing will change. So that means Vb will be equal to 2 times 1.25 times 10 divided by 0.5. So you can always use your calculator to finish the rest. So from here, I'll multiply 2 times 1.25 times 10. 2 times 10, then divided by 0.5. So this gives me 50 cm cube. So this is the volume of the base required to neutralize the acid. So check the option, that is option E. Thank you. God bless you.